GigaChad, update on GigaChad, cryptocurrency, how it's going. Let's check it out. Right now it's going pretty well. It's up 10% in 1 hour. I did a video on this a couple of days ago. Showed you guys how I was going to invest, what I was going to do, what I was doing. This is an update. We see the chart here. Look at here. We got some earnings. Pending Chads right now are 9.28. So that is what I have earned from my 3 GigaChad nodes. So I bought 10 GigaChads, and then 10 GigaChads you can turn into one node. So I bought 30, turned them into 3 nodes, and each node was producing 1 Chad a day, but now they have changed the rewards to 0.69 Chad a day. So that's the new rewards daily. So right here it says create a GigaChad with 10 Chad tokens to earn lifetime high yield Chad token rewards. All right. If you're not familiar, this is a fork of Ring. So right here, I got my 3 nodes, 1, 2, and 3. I could have played this a little bit better. The first day or two, they had a promotion where they gave you 3 times the rewards for 24 hours. So I could have played this one definitely better, but this is crypto. You never know how things are going to turn out sometimes. I mean, you can study and be diligent and all that, but, I always say in crypto, anything can happen. Welcome to crypto. So right here, node 1, 2, 3, this one earned me 4. This one earned me 3.36. This one 1.97. I can now claim the rewards, right? I can claim them, and then with this 9.28, when I get 10, I can claim these 10, and I can create another GigaChad, but I cannot get these tokens back. So once you create a node, you cannot get those tokens back. You cannot sell them or anything, but you get rewards daily. So that's how this works. That's how all these ring forks are working. As far as this one here, I also have, let me see. I have 20 Chad in my wallet right here. Okay. So you got 20 Chad there. We'll just round this to 9. And then I had 30 here. So 20, we'll just round it to 10 for simplicity's sake. 20, 10, and 30. Let's see the math on this. 20 plus 10 plus 30 equals 60. So at the current price, had I not bought these 3 nodes, right, I would be at 34.21 is the current price. I would be at $2,000 on this investment. I don't remember the exact amount because I've been moving in and out of multiple things, and I haven't been doing the best job keeping track to the dollar on every single thing. But I was under 1,000 on this investment, so this would be a 2x in I think about 3 days, something like that. So I did buy the nodes. I did invest in the nodes, but my nodes are producing. Like I said, a smarter play would have been to get that promotional time on 3 nodes. That would have been 3, 6, 9 nodes off top, which now would be valued at, do the math. So right here, with my 20 in my wallet and my pending balance here, that's 30. So let's see where we're at. 30 times 34.16 equals about 1,000. Yep, 1,024. So as of right now, if I wanted to, this is what I could do. I could claim my 9.28 here, which I believe I should have some more. Yep. So I could claim these, and then I also have 20 in my wallet. I could sell those 30 for $1,000 right now, right? That's my initial, that's a little bit more than my initial investment, right? And I can look through my text doc and find out exactly how much I invested. So I know that this is under my original investment. So I can go ahead and break even right here. And then I have this asset right here, which is 3 GigaChads every day, bringing me 0.69420. So let's just do the math at the current price. 3 nodes times 0.69420 equals that many tokens a day. So we'll just say 2 a day. 2 times the current price, 34.10, 10 equals $71 a day. So one option I have, there's many options, is I can take my money from these and the 20 in my wallet, And that's why I didn't invest all of my tokens into nodes, because I know that there's a possibility the price of the token is going to pump. So I kind of diversify my strategy. I have a few nodes, and then I have a few tokens in my wallet, and then I have rewards as well. So I can kind of watch how the project plays out, if it grows, what's going on, So you want to limit your risk the best you possibly can. So right now, if I took my money out, I would be flat even, and I would be making $71 a day passive income. But not only that, that's if I claim the money. If I don't claim the fiat or the crypto and I reinvest it, right, I will be getting 2 chads a day. So times 5 days equals 10 chads. So in 5 days, I could also reinvest into another node. And you see how you can grow these nodes, and then price can obviously go up. This price could rocket, or it could go down. So you got to watch the market. I just wanted to update you, show you a little strategy, to help you think creatively in your investing. But I did call this one a few days ago. Am profitable right now if I were to cash out. Not sure exactly what I'm going to do at this point, but I wanted to share this, and it's interesting because I had another one just like this yesterday. I guess I can pull it up. It is SLD, and SLD did the same thing yesterday. I did do a brief video on it. So right here, SLD's at 353 now, right? But yesterday it was at 826. And I had a feeling they were coming out with a V2 today, a version 2. And I've seen a couple version 2s come out bad. There's been issues with these ring forks and even ring itself. Sometimes when there's a swap from one version to the other, things don't go out well and you end up losing money. I've just seen that in multiple projects now. So I had a feeling yesterday I could have took some profits. And on this one, had I, which I don't really regret not doing it, but I could have took 1,000 profit yesterday on this one as well. Basically the same concept of what I'm saying here. So today it's down to 353, but I got in super early on this one, so I'm still profitable. But this is not financial advice. Do your own research. Crypto is very high risk. You can lose all your money. Don't do what I'm doing. I'm just sharing with you ideas and strategies and certain things that I'm doing. But forgot what I was going to say. So anyways, this is at 350 right now. I still actually haven't seen what went on with this today, so I'm going to find out. I'm going to look into that. But if you can take profit and make $1,000 in a day, I think $1,000 now is better than a potential $5,000 in a month if all these variables play out the right way, with crypto especially. Now there's some mid to long term plays that are worth it, but it really comes down to many different factors. So one thing I think is if you can take 1,000 profit, the first thing really is if you invest in something, get your investment capital back so that you're all profit. Everything in is profit. So if something doesn't work out, you have not lost anything. So that's just something I think may help. But anyways, this is not financial advice. Do your own research. As I said, thanks for all the love, all the support on the channel, for all the comments. You guys are awesome. Hope you get value out of this video. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. And I did just actually create a Twitter. I'm really not on here much. I literally just created it today. So let me see what my Twitter is. Okay. It's Kevin Unk 7. So somebody's been asking about Twitter and all that. I literally just created it, so I have 0 followers. If you guys want to follow, go ahead and follow on here. I'm going to begin making some steps forward to provide more value to you guys. Possibly a group. People have been asking about an insider group. We'll see. But for now, I just want to help you guys make some money, man. There's a lot of scam videos out here, people that just want to grow their channel, and it's a bunch of hype and all that. But the thing is this: if you understand the psychology of a market, you can actually profit from the people's hype. So just don't let people play you. people are trying to look out for themselves. You know, I know if I help other people, I'll be helped. So check out the Twitter if you're on Twitter, Kevin Unk 7. I don't know, I might change this later, but it's cool for now. And yeah, God bless you guys. If you're not subscribed, subscribe to the channel. Coming out with bangers every day. We've been pretty consistent calling some creative type strategy plays that people are not really talking about. A lot of people are talking about buy one coin and it'll 100x overnight and this, that, the other. And it's just misleading information and it's not real. It's not practical, you know. So anyways, God bless, guys. Subscribe to the next video. Peace.